Another day in Thailand and another hotel. I've just got a taxi from Pattaya to Bangkok, which is awesome. So this morning I was in one swimming pool, Renaissance in Pattaya, and now I'm in Bangkok. I'm at the, I don't even know how to pronounce it, Divalux. I don't know why I'm trying to put some kind of accent on or silent letters. Divalux Resort and Spa. I just got this because my flight from Bangkok back to Taipei is tomorrow around 4 o'clock. So I thought I'd get a hotel next to the airport, and it's so close to the airport they offer a free shuttle bus. And the price I paid for this is ridiculous. It's some kind of villa suite or something for, I'll try and say it in Great British pounds and Taiwanese dollar because obviously I live in Taiwan. So Great British pounds is around 28, 29 pounds, around 1,300 NT, 1,300 baht as well. So it's a very small room, but it's just really nice. As we can, let me try and get some lights on. No? Okay, we've got the lights on already. So as we come in here, into the bathroom, it's not a huge bathroom. And look, it's not a top, I think it's around 4-star. But comparable to some, for value in Taipei, you cannot compare whatsoever. Walk-in shower at least. And at least one of these, you'll be surprised in Taipei how many don't have that. All the toiletries, everything you need is included, which is great. Some towels. Towels are not as nice as Renaissance, but it's not going to be. But the room is just really, really cozy. Okay, so get a couple of complimentary water there. Mini fridge, nothing inside. And then quite a decent sized bed, to be fair, with them really, really, really nice pillows. Nice pillows, that's worth it. Desk, TV, nice rug, some slippers on the floor. And I like this, the window view. I think a cute place to sit. And you can look out here. Looks like I've got AstroTurf, some kind of AstroTurf, and you can see the pool just through there with a pool bar. So I'm going to be down there very soon. So I like that. That's really cute. Nice chill out. And they've also got a balcony. I would try and get out, but I don't want to let mosquitoes in. Can I get out of the balcony? Let's see. No. No. Surely it's not purely locked. Okay, just realised you got to go from the other end. Right, onto the balcony. Close it so there's no mosquitoes getting in. There we go. So it's not a bad sized balcony. You could take the chair out here, but it's really hot. The air conditioning unit's there. But yeah, it looks not bad at all. So yeah, so the pool's through the trees. It's a shame the trees are in the way. But I'm going to just have to get down to the pool area anyway. Let's get back inside. So all in all, it basically does a little bit more than it says on the tin. Really happy with this. It's just a quick little stay with a swimming pool, with a gymnasium, with breakfast included. It's clean, it's comfortable, and the swimming pool's quite big, which I'm going to go inside now. So, I'll probably do a review, 2 or 3 minute review after my stay, just to see what it's like, and then I'll wake up extra in the morning to show around the swimming pool and some other facilities. But it's quite a big ground, but that video isn't for now. See you later.